Kiss's birthday today. Hi. Such an old man. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be starting my spring reset, spring cleaning, the whole spring moment. I know we had the whole New Year's reset so recently, but you guys know I've been in this weird depressive slump for the entirety of 2023 so far, so I just really need this final push to get me out of it. I've been really just crawling my way through it. I've also been seeing a lot on TikTok recently from all the astrology girlies that my rising sign, like if you have any of these signs in your rising moon sun, this makes sense for you. I have Scorpio in mine, so Scorpios have been through it the past 3 years basically, and they were saying that the energy is fresh in March and that's when things are shifting. I don't know the exact planet conjunction, whatever's going on, I don't know. All I heard was it's been a rough 3 years, it's about to get good. And I very much feel that because I feel like I've been in this transformational phase for so long now, like ready to just turn into a butterfly. I don't know, that's what I've been feeling. So that validated that for me. But spring cleaning really does that for me. I'm ready for summer already. I consider spring to be summer, so I'm just ready for the sun. I've been feeling super overwhelmed that I hadn't been getting out of this slump yet and everything was just weird and it felt better, but it wasn't 100% yet. What I did was I wrote down every single task that I need to do, I feel like, to be fresh, to get me out of whatever I'm in and to start new. I actually got that idea from Mel Robbins in a video she did a while ago where if you're overwhelmed, you just write down everything that you need to do, and it just kind of refreshed that in my memory. Like, okay, I'm gonna write down every single task that I need to do to feel like, okay, fresh start. I made a huge list on my computer, and then naturally, I felt like there was 3 categories of those tasks. One was decluttering and just shedding digital, physical weight from my environment. The second one was deep cleaning, and then the third was some planning things. So naturally, I had the idea to do 3 videos for the spring cleaning time of the year. We got the spring reset, then we got the spring cleaning, and then we got the spring planning. So this one is the spring reset, and basically I am decluttering. I think a part of the overwhelm that I'm having is how my environment is just chaotic. My digital space, my physical space, my mental space, everything just feels cluttered and chaotic. First thing that I want to declutter is the utility closet, which I haven't even shown you because she is so chaotic and I go in it every day. No, I'm gonna shut up and finally start decluttering. I'm gonna watch Love Island. I also found out that Love Island is already on episode 35, which I had no idea it even came out yet. Love Island UK, top tier. I don't watch any of the other ones. It's on Hulu right now. So I'm gonna declutter and catch up on that while I'm decluttering. Ew. I don't even wanna show you this because it's so bad. Girl. That just makes me sick to my stomach. This is disgusting. There are my crutches when I sprained both of my ankles at the same time. That was fun. This is so disgusting, but ugh. You're my type on paper, babes. I love this show. This is ridiculous. What was even the point? I don't know what I was thinking. Prepare to be sick of me with this show. Oh.
This girl describes her favourite sex position as back shots. This girl has had sex in a cinema toilet.
Ew! Love it.
That is rude. You need your feelings and shots. I'm feeling you. It looks like it flows. You could open it. Even if she doesn't. Fingers crossed. Same house. I'll fit it. Yes, on the way. See how big? This is it's really long. Fuck, you know.
Apparently I can hang my vacuum. So we're gonna attempt that. You know how much I hate hanging things and measuring. This should be easy. Again, I don't fucking know. I gave the tape measure back to my mom because I was like, I'll never need it again. But it doesn't feel right. Do you know what I mean by? I don't know if these are the ones that came with it. I just found them on the floor of my closet. So, oh, not these things. Look at these hoes again. Don't, okay. I swear. You're not dead, oh my God. I've had enough of this tomfoolery. My neighbor just got suddenly loud. Like, are you trying to say something? Say it to my face, come to the door. I 100% did that wrong. My neighbor was silent all day. I started doing this. He's running a marathon up there. Like, let's hope this works. Oh, fuck. Okay. They literally live. 100 centimeters. She's scraping the bottom of the floor. I don't want her to touch the floor like that. Also, this is kind of in the way of everything. Damn, that would have been so much smarter, but now it's too late. Clearly belongs on that wall. That's gonna bug me for the rest of my life. I have to move now. It's not giving Pinterest organization, but it is so much better. I had this in the office as extra just on the floor, and I put in the bags for laundry, the cord to this, travel cubes. Also my police radar that I never use anymore. My mom got it for me when I was getting speeding tickets left and right. I never use that anymore, but it's there. This is the dog and cat section. I put towels up there. I'm eventually probably gonna get 2 more of these, put them up there, and then we'll put these inside of the baskets because I feel like that would just look more cohesive. I feel like that's fine there. I don't like how it leans. It's better than having this stuff on that side. This is all bags, so I just put my reusable grocery bags and then just totes that I have in there. That's pretty much the vibes. Hi, Sib. I feel like a weight has been lifted off my chest because this was a monstrosity and it gave me anxiety every time I opened it. So I feel so much better about it, and I love how that's hanging there now. Instead of worrying about just throwing it there, it has a place. One thing that I want to do is go through all of the beauty products that I have received from PR that I put in a giant bin and all over the office and in the console that I want to give away to you guys. And I had planned to do those Instagram giveaways, and I have all the boxes in here. So I think what I want to do right now is put and sort through all the products and put them into boxes and then just roll out the giveaways on Instagram. But I think that's kind of the task for right now. While I sort through the products and put them all in the boxes, I'm going to sort through and declutter my watch later playlist on YouTube because I have a ton of videos. Hi. Did you feel left out? I have a ton of videos in my watch later playlist because I add everything to there and then it's piled up. So I'm gonna declutter that. I'm gonna watch them while I do the product placements and probably while I declutter today. Just really multitasking. Forgot that I have some PR packages that I haven't gone through yet, so I'm just gonna go through and sift these and then put what I want to keep away, and then the giveaway stuff is gonna go in there because now I have a lot more space in there. Hey, I love mushroom stuff. My favorite face mask. I've been out of it forever. This whole box for one product. Come on, that's ridiculous. I also forgot to show you guys that for my birthday, my mom got me this little bathroom glass jar tray thing. All the products will be gone, but this is just gonna be the main thing. I don't know what else to put with it. If you have any suggestions, comment them below. But also, I love this so much. This is the only thing that has been working on my lips because I get really chapped lips. It's so good and it smells like marshmallows. Absolutely love it. And it makes me feel so cute and girly when I use it. I'll link the little tray thing down below if you guys want to pick it up, but it's so cute. Oh, also, she also got me the Position of the Day playbook. Actually, this is probably too explicit to show. I'm gonna get demonetized. She really gets me. She really understands me. I just think this is so funny. It's on my bedside because I feel like it matches the bedroom vibes. To give you guys a little book update because I've been reading so much more now and I love talking about books again on my channel. I'm on the last section of the book that I'm currently reading, which is Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before by Dr. Julie Smith. It's everyday tools for life's ups and downs. Basically, this is what the book contains. It has a bunch of different sections, and usually every morning I will end up just reading an entire section because I said I was only going to do one chapter every morning, but I just get too into it and I feel like I just want to finish an entire section, so each day has a different theme. This is what the book has. It's so good. I've highlighted so much within this book. I'm starting the last section, which is On a Meaningful Life. And then the next book that I'm gonna read after this, we're really on a therapist kick. The last book I read before this was about your 20s, and it was also written by a therapist or psychologist, and same with this book, and then also same with this book. This is basically a memoir about her life and her patients and clients, and then also her going to therapy. And my mom read this book. It's a chunky one, but she recommended it for me to read before I go back to therapy so that I really can make sure I'm getting the most out of it, because I was just having not the best results with therapy. So I'm gonna read this one before I do therapy, and that's the next book that I'm gonna read. And then we will switch it up and not read therapy related books. I don't know what I'll read after this, but this is the chunky one that I'm gonna start once I finish this, and I'm gonna finish this today. I didn't film an outro for this video, but that is my spring reset. That is decluttering those areas that I've been neglecting and just starting the process of spring cleaning and all of that. But in the next vlog, which I'm starting today, which is why I'm wearing my Sunday reset outfit, I'm doing the deep cleaning. So now that I've taken care of some decluttering, I'm going to go in and do the cleaning that I just would never normally do. Just spring cleaning, the stuff that you forget about doing. That's pretty important. So you will see that in the next vlog. Also, my Sims part 1 to my Let's Play is coming out on Tuesday. You're seeing this video on Sunday, so that video will come out Tuesday on my gaming channel. I will have my gaming channel linked below. I'll post it on my Instagram and also a post on the community tab of YouTube. I don't know what that's called, but I will make sure that you guys know where the video is, and it will be coming out on Tuesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.